As we have already stated, Honorable Chief Minister has also made it very, very clear that any kind of move to introduce a new variety of crop into our ecosystem, we will be examining this matter, and this has to be a very, very a decision which only after we have consulted with experts in the field, with the kind of effects of palm oil on the environment. After we have assessed all these things, only then will we take a call on that matter, as Honorable CM has made that very clear. And that's where we are, that is the same point that we are sticking to. As of now, we have not even deliberated on this matter, but we will deliberate soon.